everyone, this is Jess from Non-Techie Entrepreneur, and this tutorial is a part of the Mastering Shopify series. In this video, I will cover Shopify navigation. After you've set up your collections, your products, and your pages, you will need to set up your store navigation. This is what your customers will use to find what they need in order to shop. So they will mainly see it from the storefront when they go to your website. It is the bar up top that currently have, if you haven't added any new pages, it will have home and catalog. And these are default with the Shopify, so each theme will have them. But this is the store navigation, and we want to make sure that that is set for what we want our customers to do. So in order to add to our navigation, we need to go to the online store under sales channels and click navigation. Once you get in, you'll see your menus below. You'll have a footer menu and a main menu already set. You are also able to set up URL redirects from this screen. So if you have an existing website and the URL will be different, such as with Shopify pages, I know that the URL would be just-masterclass-101.myshopify.com/pages/contact me. But on another website platform such as Squarespace, it may just have my domain and the page name. So that is a way to make sure that the traffic that is coming from an old site to your new Shopify store doesn't have a issue where your customers are seeing a 404 request. So in the menu section, the main menu is what is up top where we saw home and catalog. And then we have footer menu, which by default is here under what is called quick links. Here you'll click on the name and it'll open up into a drop down area. So you can change the title of your menu. You can reorder and add menu items. Here you can see that you can add those drop down boxes that you will see here. That will take you in this sense to your categories. And there they are. So we might want to add a contact page. So if you've created your pages, if you created your blog posts, your blogs, your products, once you hit this part to start to set up that navigation, you are able to just select the page that you are looking for. So here we have the page for Contact Us, and since we click the drop down, it automatically pulls in the name of that page, so we don't have to type it. And this brings it to our navigation. So if we refresh here, we will see that. So here we have the Contact Us here, and if we click it, it will take us to the contact page of our site. Now there are different ways that you can add to your navigation menus. You can add collections and have all collections or select a specific collection. You can also select products, pages, blogs, blog posts, and policies. All of these can be populated by just clicking, and it will have the name of the page and the link. Now you would need to add the page, add the product, add the collections before creating your menu. That's the only way to find it. Now, if you wanted to create a drop down, say with our news, we'll just add a product. Here we go. So we're going to add that. If we add it in, you notice that it's added as a new option in our menu. You'll grab the option that you want and you'll drag it underneath the primary one that you want. So here we have it drop down, and then from here you can add new menu options that will live under this primary. So when I save this, I should have two drop down menus, which we have one here, and we have the products that we have. The same thing with the footer menu. You can add the links that you would like here and save as you go, and everything that is updated, once you click save, it will show up right to your new store. So that is Shopify navigation. If this tutorial was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on Shopify.